Hello, hello everyone. This is our 11th lecture of theodolite surveying. In previous lecture, we have done the type 4 problem. In that part, we have studied how to calculate the bearing from interior angle or included angle. In today's lecture, we will going to discuss about the deflection angle method. The theoretical part, how to calculate the deflection angle, we will study in presentation part. In this lecture, we will discuss the numerical part for deflection angle method. So here the deflection angle is given, and from the deflection angle we have to calculate the whole circle bearing of line. So how to calculate the whole circle bearing of the line? The whole circle bearing of any line is equal to whole circle bearing of the preceding line. Preceding means the previous line plus minus the deflection angle. So when we use plus sign and when we use minus sign. Use plus sign for deflection angle right clockwise and use minus sign for deflection angle left anti-clockwise. Okay. So let us start with the numerical part. This is the example number 2.19. The theodolite traverse is run from A to F and deflection angle are as follow. Okay. At station B, the deflection angle is 32 degree 16 second left. At station C, 18 degree 34 minutes right. At station D, 22 degree 12 second left. 12 minutes left. At station E, 42 degree 24 minutes right, and at station F is 52 degree 42 minutes right. Now here calculate the bearing of the remaining sides of the traverse. The given that the forward bearing of AB is 110 degree 16 minutes, and check your calculation whether AB is given correct. Okay. So here the line of the traverse is first is AB line, then BC line, then CD line, then DE line, and EF and FA. This is a closed traverse. Okay. So AB, then BC, then CD, then DE, then EF and FA. Okay, this is a closed traverse. So here the forward bearing of AB is given. Okay, forward bearing of AB is given, that is 110 degree 6 minutes. So how to calculate the bearing of remaining lines? Here the formula is given. The whole circle bearing of any line is equal to whole circle bearing of preceding line plus minus deflection angle. So here we use that formula. The bearing of line is equal to bearing of preceding line plus minus deflection angle. We know the rule also. When we use plus sign, if right angle then use plus sign, if left angle then use minus sign. So here we calculate the remaining sides of whole circle bearing. Okay. So we have the bearing of AB is 110 degree 16 minutes. So how to calculate the bearing of BC? Use formula bearing of the preceding line. So we have the bearing of preceding line and plus minus deflection angle. So here the bearing of preceding line is 110 degree 16 minutes minus the angle deflection angle at B is 32 degree 16 minutes left. So left, then we use the minus sign. So 110 degree 6 minutes minus 32 degree 16 minutes. Answer is 77 degree 15 minutes. Okay. Here the whole circle bearing of line BC. So 77 is whole circle bearing of line BC. Now the next line, the bearing of CD. So bearing of CD is equal to, now here the preceding, the whole circle bearing of preceding line is, means CD का जो preceding line है वो BC. Then here the preceding line, the whole circle bearing of preceding line is 77 degree 15 minutes. Then use deflection angle. Now the deflection angle C, okay, deflection angle C is 18 degree 34 minutes in right, means clockwise direction. So we use the plus sign here. So the preceding line of whole circle bearing is 77 degree 50 minutes plus deflection angle 18 degree 34 minutes. So when we add, we get 96 degree 24 minutes. Okay, simple calculation है, प्लस माइनस ही करना है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, द बेयरिंग ऑफ लाइन DE. ओके, सो DE का प्रेसिडिंग लाइन इज CD. सो हियर द बेयरिंग ऑफ प्रेसिडिंग लाइन इज 96 degree 24 minutes 00 second, and now here the use minus sign, cos at station D the deflection angle is 22 degree 12 minutes left. So here we use minus sign, cos the deflection angle is in left direction, okay, or anti-clockwise. So when we minus 96 degree 24 minutes 0 second, then we get from 20 here when we minus 96 degree 24 minutes 00 second minus 22 degree 12 minutes, then we get 74 degree 12 minutes and 00 second. Now the next line is EF. So bearing of EF, how to calculate? So preceding, the bearing of preceding line, preceding means the DE line, okay, preceding means the previous line. So EF का जो previous line है वो DE है. So the preceding line is, the bearing of preceding line is 74 degree 12 minutes 00 second. Then here we use the deflection angle at E. So here 42 degree 24 minutes, which is in right direction. So we use plus sign here. So when we add these both value, we get 116 degree 36 minutes 0 second, and the last one is a bearing of line FA. So here we use the deflection angle at F. Okay, so the bearing of preceding line means EF का preceding bearing is 116 degree 36 minutes 00 second plus deflection angle at F is 52 degree 42 minutes, and reflection angle is in right direction. So when we add these both value, we get 169 degree 18 minutes. Okay, now here one check is given whether the AB line, the bearing of AB line is correct or not. So how to calculate or how to check the bearing of line AB is that given AB is correct? Here one formula is given. The bearing of last line is equal to bearing of first line plus sum of right deflection angle minus sum of left deflection angle. So here we calculate the sum of right deflection angle. Okay, जितने भी राइट के डिफ्लेक्शन एंगल है उसको ऐड करना है. सो हियर we have 3 right deflection angle. Okay, so we add 18 degree 34 minutes, 42 degree 24 minutes and 52 degree 42 minutes. Okay, when we add this right angle, we get 113 degree 14 minutes, and sum of left deflection angle is 54 degree 28 minutes, and given bearing of line AB is 110 degree 6 minutes. Okay, so we put all these value in this formula. So bearing of last line is equal to bearing of first line, that is 1110 degree 6 minutes. Then sum of right deflection angle is 113 degree 40 minutes minus sum of left deflection angle is 54 degree 28 minutes. Now when we calculate this, plus 113 degree 40 minutes minus 54 degree 28 minutes, we get 169.18 minutes. Okay, so here we get the same value. Here we get the same value, one bearing of FA, and here the check is correct. So here we write OK. Okay. Now this is the numerical for deflection angle method. Okay. The next numerical is also on deflection angle. Okay, this is example number 220, but difference is that here the bearing is given, and from bearing we have to calculate the deflection angle. Okay, so let us start with the next numerical. The following are the back angles include angles of part of an open traverse A, B, C, D, E and given. Okay, so here the bearing at station B is given, bearing at station C, D and E is given. So we have to calculate the deflection angle. So let us start with the first station. So deflection angle at B. Okay, so back angle minus 180 degree. When we use minus 180 degree, here there is a simple rule. When the back angles or the back bearing is greater than 180 degree, okay, when the given bearing is greater than 180 degree, then we have to subtract the 180 degree from back angles. Okay, so here we subtract 180 degree from back angles. So here back angle is 246 degree 32 minutes 00 second and minus 180 degree. When we subtract these both value, here we get 66 degree 32 minutes 00 second. Now how to write left or right? Okay, the deflection angle left में है या right में है, वो कैसे लिखना है? When we subtract back angles minus 180 degree, then here we have to write a right. Okay, then next line, next deflection angle लिखते हैं, the deflection angle at C. Okay, now here at station C the bearing is less than 180 degree. Now here we have to minus bearing from 180 degree. So here we subtract 180 degree from here back angle. So here we get 21 degree 36 minutes 00 second. Now when we subtract bearing from 180 degree, then we have to write here left. Okay, now next deflection angle at D. Now same, here the value is less than 180 degree. Now we have to subtract the back angle from 180 degree. So here we minus 177 degree 38 minutes 00 from 180 degree. Here we get the 8 degree 22 minutes 00 second. Now the same rule here also we have to write left. Now deflection angle at station E. Okay, the deflection angle at station E, the bearing is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so here we have to minus back angle minus 180 degree. So here back angle is 199.48 minutes 00 second. So we get answer here is one mistake is there, sorry. Back angle is 1990 48 minutes 00 second minus 180 degree. So here we get 199 degree 48 minutes minus 180 degree. So here we get 19 degree 48 minutes 00 second. Now and we have to write here, right, cos here the value is greater than the bearing that is given is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so both are the difference. फर्स्ट में हम लोग ने क्या किया, द फर्स्ट में हम लोग ने बेरिंग से डिफ्लेक्शन एंगल फाइंड आउट किया एंड सेकेंड सम में हम लोग ने क्या किया, फर्स्ट सम में हम लोग ने क्या किया कि जो गिवन डिफ्लेक्शन एंगल है उससे हम लोग ने रिमेनिंग लाइंस के बेरिंग फाइंड आउट किए एंड सेकेंड सम में हम लोग ने क्या किया, जो गिवन बेरिंग है उससे हम लोग ने डिफ्लेक्शन एंगल फाइंड आउट किया. ओके, दिस इज अ टाइप फोर्थ में ही दो पार्ट्स है. फर्स्ट जो हम लोग ने इंक्लूडेड एंगल से बेरिंग फाइंड आउट किए एंड सेकेंड पार्ट में हम लोग ने डिफ्लेक्शन एंगल के सम्स देखे. नाउ एक ही टाइप अभी बचा है, टाइप 5. ओके, वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पार्ट 12 में हम लोग देखते हैं. थैंक यू एवरीवन.